Turkish coffee is a beloved and traditional beverage that is known for its rich flavor and aroma. In this article, we will explore the importance of consuming Turkish coffee as fresh as possible, and how it can enhance your overall coffee experience. From purchasing whole bean coffee to proper storage techniques, we will guide you on how to ensure that your Turkish coffee stays fresh and flavorful. Don't miss out on the full taste and aroma of this traditional drink. Read on to learn more about the importance of fresh Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee is a rich, flavorful and aromatic beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries. The taste and quality of Turkish coffee are heavily dependent on how fresh it is consumed. Drinking a fresh cup of Turkish coffee can be a truly delightful experience, full of rich flavors and a strong aroma. When coffee beans are freshly roasted, they contain the highest levels of flavor compounds and essential oils. These compounds and oils are what give coffee its unique taste and aroma. As time goes on, these compounds and oils begin to degrade and the coffee's taste and aroma will begin to deteriorate. This is why it is so important to consume your Turkish coffee as fresh as possible. Consuming fresh Turkish coffee also ensures that you are getting the maximum health benefits from your coffee. Fresh coffee contains higher levels of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can have a positive impact on your health. To ensure that you are getting the freshest and most flavorful cup of Turkish coffee possible, it is best to purchase whole bean coffee and grind it just before you brew it. You should also store your coffee in an airtight container in a cool, dry place and use it within a few weeks of opening it. In summary, drinking fresh Turkish coffee is essential to enjoying the full flavor and aroma of the coffee. It also has the added benefit of providing you with the maximum health benefits from your coffee. To ensure that your Turkish coffee stays fresh and flavorful, it is important to store it properly. Here are a few tips to help you keep your Turkish coffee fresh. 1. Use an airtight container. The most important thing to keep in mind when storing Turkish coffee is to use an airtight container. 1. This will help to keep the coffee beans or grounds fresh by preventing air, moisture, and light from getting in. 2. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Turkish coffee should be stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat sources. 2. This will help to prevent the coffee from going stale or losing its flavor. 3. Use whole bean coffee. If you can, it's best to purchase whole bean coffee instead of pre-ground coffee. 3. Whole bean coffee stays fresher longer, and you can grind it just before you brew it. 4. Avoid the freezer. Avoid storing your Turkish coffee in the freezer, as the temperature fluctuations can cause condensation and can affect the taste of your coffee. 5. Use it within a few weeks. Once you have opened your Turkish coffee, try to use it within a few weeks. 5. The longer the coffee sits, the more its flavor will degrade. By following these tips, you can ensure that your Turkish coffee stays fresh and flavorful for as long as possible.